Understanding changes everything. I say that a lot, but what does it mean? If you believe that your dog is being stubborn, naughty, barking, or trying to give you a hard time, you react and respond one way. But what if that behavior is actually your dog communicating? What if they're feeling worried or overwhelmed or frustrated or simply trying to meet a natural need? When we understand why a behavior is happening, everything changes. Our expectations change, our responses change, our relationship changes. That's why I want to invite you to be a dog behavior detective. Instead of jumping to conclusions, we'll learn to observe. We'll look for clues. We will ask better questions because every behavior tells a story and every dog tells that story differently. The more we learn to truly see our dogs, the better we can support them. And that's where understanding really changes everything.